Hi friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Knowledge and Beauty. Who all are regular viewer of my channel, you all know that every time I uploaded one unique mandala art post. So today also I will do a colorful big mandala art for you guys. So let's get started. So today I am doing a colorful mandala art on a page. So here first of all I did some small circle, then I am doing just drop petals on it. After doing drop petals I will do another circle to fill the drop petals, and after that I will do 8 petals on it. This is a different kind of petals. So here also I am using petals and I am bordering it with some dark color so it will looks good. Then after doing that different type of petals, again I am doing a small flower to fill that page, and like this I will do over and over any geometric sizes or geometric mandala, or I will do petals, or I will do some circle. Like this I will fill most of the paper, and after that I will color on it. So please stay tuned. Guys, it's a big announcement for you. So what is the announcement? So the announcement is, if you like this video, please do a like and also subscribe my channel, because if you subscribe my channel then I'll get some inspiration to do more mandala art, and also I will upload much more unique mandala art tutorial for you guys. So please subscribe my channel, and also comment me how it's looking. Please guys, comment me in the comment section, because I can't express that happiness when I got a positive comment from you guys. So please guys, do comment. So guys, you can see that here I am done with my drawing. Now it's time to color. So I will color with some coloring pencil and also by some sketch pen. So same procedure. At the middle you need to give some light colored sketch pen, and at the end, I mean in the bordering section, you need to put some dark color so it will look good. And also if you follow these rules, then your art will be looking very much pretty. So yep, that's it for today's video. And also you can see how much colorful is the mandala, and please let me know in the comment section how it is. And also if you like this video, please do like and subscribe. And also I have taken some photos from every corner of that mandala, so I am showing you all of those. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Take care guys, bye bye.